Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Doing an unboxing today on two bags. I'm super duper excited. One I've already peeked at, and one I got today. This is a Geiger bag. And when I saw the bags, I fell in love. It was just, I saw them on TikTok and I'm like, what are these bags? So I went on the site and I saw one that I really liked. And then when I got it, it looked like it was the last one. I guess it was meant for me because it was the only one on there, and it was on the site for a cool minute. So the bag that I got, again, is a Geiger bag. It came in this little cute duster, and you open it up and already, first of all, the scarves and the little color sequence thing is so cute. And then when you unravel it, this is what it looks like. Isn't this bag beautiful? It's terry cloth. It most likely will be like a little difficult to, not difficult to clean, but it's easy for this type of fabric to get dirty, but I'm not really too concerned about it. I'll get like a microfiber cloth, the tied little white thingies, and just, you know, take care of it and clean it really good. But I mean, this bag, it was so pretty, and it's super duper soft, and it has their little logo right here embroidered in it with a little metal. And then this is I believe this is an eagle. It has like crystals on it. It's so pretty, and it reminds me of the jumbo Chanel bag. Now, ain't nobody spending no, how much is it now? Like $7,000-8,000 for the Chanel bag now? It ain't happening. I'm not doing that. Anyway, the quality of the chains are really nice. You can take these off and, you know, wear them if you want, and just rock the chain by itself. And these actually adjust down if you want as well, so that the chain is visible. Either way it goes, this is super duper cute. But this is how the bag looks, and inside it's a snap on each side, and it's super duper big. I got it because I wanted it because it, like, all his bags basically kind of mimic the Chanel bag. So it has two big huge compartments right there. It has like a little pocket here, you can put your phone or whatever you want to put, and then it has obviously that space there and that space there. And like I said, the fabric is terry cloth, and it's super duper big, and it's just so cute. And this is the Geiger bag, the terry cloth extra large one. The sizes he has in his bags, so the small one is not labeled, it's just a small bag. He has a medium size one, extra large, and then he has an extra large. This one is the extra large one, and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. This is the Telfar bag, and this is the one that I got with during the bag security program, which it took a while to get the bag. I'm not going to front, it took like two or 3 months or something like that. But here it is. Nevertheless, I say it's better just to get the bag that you want and keep a close eye on the colors that he drops, because I think he drops a color every Monday or something like that, and they send you an email to let you know when it's going to drop. And then, you know, 9 o'clock LA time, get the bag, and it's a done deal. You get it within like 4 days to a week. But with the security bag program, you have to be patient. I will not be doing the security bag program ever again, but it was for a medium one. I'll show you the color instead of telling you. So this is obviously the regular Telfar packaging, and I already have a black one. I did a video on that one as well, so feel free to just browse my channel to catch the review on the black one, and obviously the Telfar duster. So pretty. And I got the medium red. So this is the medium red one. Again, my camera is not doing this justice. It's really washing it out. But there it goes. This is the red Telfar medium. And this is good for like your everyday. The bigger one, obviously you could pack your whole life in there. This is the more, you know, everyday realistic bag. The extra large, I mean the large one is humongous, which is great for like travel and stuff like that. I took it, like I said, I took it to Hawaii with me and I could fit my whole life in that bag. But these are the straps, super duper long. It can be a crossbody, or you can just wear it on your shoulder, or you can wear it on the handle. And we're gonna open it. I'm happy that I purchased the large one first because that's more my vibe. I don't really like small bags. I don't really see the significance in it because it's cute for like a night out on the town or something like that. Like everyday use, I like it, just a regular size bag. Like this is really good. And I'm gonna go ahead and probably order a organizer for both my bags on Telfar, on Amazon. So yeah, this is the red Telfar bag, and this is the inside. You know, it's a decent size. And then of course the little pocket where you can place your little daintier stuff like lip gloss and keys and stuff like that. And then this is the red one. So these are the two new bags that I'm adding to my collection, the red Telfar and then the terry cloth Geiger bag. So yeah, be sure to check both sides out. I'm trying to add to my bag collection. I'll probably get another Geiger bag. I have my eye on the black leather one with the silver eagle. That one is so gorgeous. Yeah, be sure to check out the Geiger website, and obviously everybody in Mama know about Telfar, so be sure to check that out as well. I'll probably come to you guys with another video soon. I really want to do a haul for Amazon because their clothes now are amazing. The quality of them. I ordered 2 long dresses, kind of knit sweater material, but I guess you can still wear them in the summer. It's a little hot maybe in the evening time. It's, you know, not good to wear, but they're super duper comfortable. Thank you so much for tuning in to this little mini unboxing of these 2 bags, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, get notified for every time I post. And yeah, and like I said, the video for this hair look will be up soon if it's not already up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and sticking with your girl, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.